Welcome to Session 9, Fraction Meaning, Equivalence, and Simplification. A fraction is a number, a quotient, and count of unit fractions. Reliable fraction work begins by identifying the whole and equal-sized parts. Then, equivalent forms and simplification become scale changes that preserve the original value. In 3/4, the denominator 4 divides one whole into 4 equal parts. The numerator 3 counts 3 of those 1/4 units. Fraction also means 3 divided by 4 and marks a number line position. 3/4 of a cup and 3/4 of a tank use the same fraction, but different wholes and units. Find a fraction equivalent to 5/8 with denominator 40. A is multiplied by 5 to reach 40, so multiply the numerator by 5 as well. 5/8 becomes 25/40. Numerator and denominator change together by the same non-zero factor, which preserves the ratio and the number line position. Simplify 42/56. The greatest common factor of 42 and 56 is 14. Divide both numerator and denominator by 14. 42 divided by 14 is 3, and 56 divided by 14 is 4. The simplest form is 3/4 because 3 and 4 share no positive factor greater than 1. Interpret 7/4. 4/4 make one whole, leaving 3/4. Therefore, 7/4 equals 1 and 3/4. The same result comes from 7 divided by 4, quotient 1 with remainder 3. The denominator remains 4 because the leftover pieces are still fourths. Equivalent fractions require multiplicative scaling. 3/4 times 2/2 is 6/8, which preserves value. Changing only the numerator creates a different number. Adding the same amount to numerator and denominator also fails in general. Verify equivalence with cross products, decimals, or a visual model. Checkpoint. Simplify 30/45. The greatest common factor of 30 and 45 is 15. Divide both by 15 to obtain 2/3. 6/9 is equivalent, but it is not simplest because 6 and 9 still share a factor of 3. Treat a fraction as a number built from equal unit parts. Identify the whole, scale numerator and denominator together for equivalent forms, and divide by the greatest common factor for efficient simplification. Verify that the value stays fixed. Continue learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com.